What's good, guys? It's your girl Friskmegood, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make your own upcycled Fendi bra. I was inspired by the movie Remix on Netflix. This movie basically goes within like the origins of the trends that we wear today and how they were influenced by Black creators and designers. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn a purse into a bra, and this look is inspired specifically by Dapper. So I'm really excited about this, so let's get into it.
I'm going to be using this purse given to me by my friend Bree specifically for this upcycle project. Grab a pair of scissors and start deconstructing your purse. No matter how your bag is shaped, you're going to want to cut lengthwise in order to be able to open the bag when you're done cutting. Once you have it open, you're going to want to cut the lining out of the inside of the purse. Side note, this is my new kitten. His name is Frisky, and we call him Papa as a nickname. So yeah, he likes to mess with me when I'm sewing, and he's super cute. Now the lining is completely cut out, and we're going to flip our design over and cut as followed. You're going to want to create a triangle shaped template. I used mine out of a bikini top I had laying around. Then you're going to use your template to cut out the fabric, and you're going to repeat that for both sides. There was a leather backing on both of the bra top templates, so I just removed those before moving on to the next step. Now grab your lining, and we're going to use that as the backing for our bra top. So go ahead and lay the original template on top and cut both sides as followed. I'm going to be using these two latches that were inside the purse as support for the straps. With right sides together, you're going to grab your latch and pin it to the inside of your bralette upside down. Repeat with both sides. Then you're going to sew your pieces together, being sure that you don't hit the metal in the latch and accidentally break your needle. Next thing you're going to want to do is top stitch your bralette, and you're going to repeat the same steps with the other side as well. Next, you're going to serge the bottom of your bralette. This just gives it a cleaner feel so everything looks good at the end and there aren't any loose strings or frayed edges. Grab your strap and measure right under your bust line. Once it's cut out, make sure you know where the middle of your strap is, and go ahead and pin the bralette pieces onto it. Now that everything's all pinned, you're gonna sew that together. Now that we're done with that, we're going to serge the edges of our band. Using eyelets to create a lace-up effect in the back, we're going to be punching holes into the back of our band and putting the eyelets in with a eyelet setter. I got mine from Joann Fabrics, but I'm sure you could definitely order this online, especially at like Amazon or something. Now, using the two pieces I had left over from the band, I'm going to be connecting these to create the strap for our bralette. Before I do that, I'm going to serge the edges and basically repeat the same steps as I did before for the other band. Once again, I'm going to be placing my eyelets and then continue to install them with the eyelet setter. Lastly, you're going to want to grab a string or some type of shoelace to lace everything together. And there we have it, folks, our final product. A upcycled Fendi bra, handmade using a purse. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Friskmegood. Thanks, guys.